This video will show how to manage policy objects in Trend Micro email security. Policy objects simplify policy management by storing configurations that can be shared and reused in multiple rules across all policies. They are configured from the management console under Administration Policy Objects and are divided into 5 types: keywords and expressions, notifications, stamps, URL keyword exception list, and web reputation approved list. Keywords and expressions are groups of literal text characters or patterns defined using symbols or regular expressions that describe a range of possible groupings of text. It can also be a combination of both literal text and patterns. These types of policy objects are used in content filter policy rules to search for words, phrases, or patterns within an email content, header, or attachment. Notifications are policy objects that serve as notification templates, and you can select whenever you enable a notification action in any of the scanning rules. Notification templates can use rule tokens to include variable information in emails such as sender address, recipient address, subject, type of detection, and so on. Stamps are policy objects that serve as stamp templates. Also sometimes called disclaimers, it can be appended or prepended to the body of any email that triggered a rule by selecting the Insert Stamp in Body action for any specific rule. Stamps can also use tokens similar to notifications. URL keyword exception list manages a list of keywords that when found in a URL will cause Trend Micro email security to bypass time of click protection and URL virtual analyzer scanning. The URL will still be checked for web reputation. Lastly, the web reputation approved list allows you to manage a list of domains and IP addresses that Trend Micro email security will bypass scanning and blocking due to web reputation. These should only include URLs that you considered safe. To manage policy objects, simply go to the appropriate page for the type of policy object that you want to configure under Administration Policy Objects. The default policy objects are locked and cannot be edited. However, they can be copied to a new object and the copy will be editable. To create a new policy object, click on the Add button. Provide a name for the policy then configure the object settings as required. The configuration needed differs for each type of policy object. Once completed, click on Save. You can then use this newly created policy object on any of your scan policy rules in Trend Micro email security.